Here are some easy methods to make money on Etsy. Sell printables. You can create printable designs, such as artwork, invitations, or planners, and sell them as digital downloads on Etsy. This is an easy way to create passive income, as you only need to create the design once and can sell it multiple times. Sell digital patterns. Similar to printables, you can create digital patterns for items such as sewing or knitting patterns, and sell them on Etsy. This is a great option if you have a skill in a particular craft or art form. Offer customization. Consider offering customization options for your products, such as personalized jewelry or custom prints. This can increase the value of your products and help you stand out from the competition. Sell craft supplies. If you have a passion for crafting, you can sell craft supplies such as yarn, fabric, or beads on Etsy. This is a great option if you have a stash of supplies that you're not using and want to make some extra money. Sell vintage items. You can sell vintage items, such as clothing or home decor, on Etsy. This is a great option if you have a knack for finding unique vintage pieces and want to share them with others. By using these easy methods, you can start making money on Etsy without a lot of investment or experience. However, keep in mind that success on Etsy also requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt.